An Atlanta City councilman says that he has no idea why his name is on a long list of defendants who supposedly failed to show up in court on traffic or minor criminal charges. Channel 2 investigative reporter Richard Belcher says the case raises some new questions about the court's management.
I've done stories, Justin, for better than 20 years on problems in Atlanta city courts. This time the issue was a list of nearly 100,000 people who the court says didn't show up to face charges. But one Atlanta city councilman says not so fast.
What is it, and why don't I know about it?
An unhappy Councilman Michael Julian Bond met us at City Hall this afternoon with a stack of documents to show that he paid the fine and took care of a couple of minor traffic charges in September.
4577061.
Bond read us the case numbers, but to his surprise, the cases he paid off do not include the case that's included with 92,000 other defendants who supposedly failed to appear as required in municipal court. We've been going through that list ever since the mayor's office gave it to us last week. Councilman Bond says his case raises new questions.
So it's disturbing to me that my name would still appear on that list. And it makes me wonder that out of the 92,000 people that are on that list, how accurate or current is that list?
Bond told me he always carries copies of his court records in his car just in case.
So that if there is a question down the road, if I'm stopped at a roadblock or pulled over or what have you, that I have the appropriate documentation. But not everybody may do that.
And if an Atlanta police officer stops someone who thought he paid off his case, but municipal court didn't record it properly, he could be headed for jail.
And that's a very disturbing occurrence if you're not supposed to be there, if you've already resolved that issue. You know.
All of this is taking place as Mayor Kasim Reed's office and the court are planning to offer some kind of amnesty period early next year when all of those tens of thousands of no-show defendants will be given one last chance to pay up. But Councilman Bond's case suggests the list itself may be filled with inaccuracies. Bond texted me late today to say he'll dig into it more with the court after the Thanksgiving holiday. We're live in the newsroom. Richard Belcher, Channel 2 Action News.
Happening now.